Shiv Shankar Singh.
So what products are you displaying today?
See, we are partners, in fact, for, Osram and Renesas, Osram Opto Semiconductors and Renesas. So here in LED Expo, we are, in collaboration with Osram and Renesas participating in this LED Expo, exhibiting their products. In fact, we are one of the leading distributor in India, represent more than 40 lines, which you can see the line card here and here. But here the focus is on the LED lighting concept, where we have not only the LEDs, okay, to support to customers, but we have on the electronic side, we support on the driver ICs and the LED driver designs, then all the semiconductors and passive components also we support. We have been regularly participating in LED Expo since second version of this. So I think this is probably the fourth or fifth participation this year.
How is your experience with LED Expo?
Experience is good because one good thing is that since this is probably one of the major or one of the good show on the LED lighting, which is a niche market. So that's why basically we come here for, because we can focus on this niche segment. Otherwise there are other general lighting shows where this LED technologies is not prominently, doesn't get that much prominence. This is just LED show, so for that suits us.
So any suggestions you would like to give the organizers?
Suggestions, I think you keep it on Sundays also, right? So I don't know, because Sundays mostly general consumers come, since this is industry to industry vertical more of sort of so I'm not sure whether that's a good idea to keep it on Sunday. If you can keep it for 3 working days, so that more people from the industry can come, rather than keeping on Sunday where hardly any any person from the industry comes. Mostly it is general people. They come for their general interest, for their education, out of curiosity and all that. So that's one thing I think you should change.
So what kind of visitors do you look forward for the next edition?
See, since as I mentioned, our focus here is on the LEDs and on LED lighting solutions. So basically, all companies or individuals who are into LED lighting industry, right? Whether they are manufacturers, okay, of luminaire, LED luminaire, or they are consultants, or any how associated with this industry, are target customers to us. Of course, and